everyone, welcome back to day 19 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. I'm Chris O'Neill and I am glad to see you all here. I hope you're all getting ready as we are in this final week before Christmas. If you do celebrate Christmas, I know it can be very hectic. It is for me too. Oh, and I'm thinking there might be some more projects coming along and I don't know if I'll get them done, but I'll try. So speaking of projects, we got this little tweet yourself purse that I did finish. It's interesting, okay? So I did go out to Hometown Leather's website and they do sell these. So I was a little surprised at how much. They are $14 for the kit. If you want to get yourself one, you can. They are selling out though. I think they had limited quantities when I looked this morning. So be sure to get it if you do want it. And you know, this might be something somebody would love. It's a great way to teach somebody to sew. Some people said that in the comments that they're teaching their grandchildren to sew or their nieces or nephews. I love that. It is a great way to do that. The kit does come with very nice leather. It is nice and sturdy. The holes are appropriately sized for the needle, so everything is snug but not too snug. The only complaint I would have about making this is the only directions you get are right here. They show you how to make a traditional back stitch, which makes sense for this. When I used the traditional back stitch that is described or outlined here, I did not have enough thread. So I had to go back and modify it. So you can see on this side, it's not the way it should look, but on this side it is. Now it's still neat and tidy and it is really nicely done with that, but there's still not enough of the thread, unless I'm doing it wrong, which is quite possible. The other thing is, Jenny had said in her video from yesterday that there was directions on knotting it here. There are not. So I just used a traditional quilter's knot on this and it pulled through, even though I made it nice and thick. So I have had some problems with keeping that knot in there. And I will be playing with that a little bit more to see how I can fix that. It's not my taste, but that doesn't mean somebody else won't absolutely love this project. I'm not gonna love them all, right? Okay, so let's move on to today's item. And it's day 19, and oh, I forgot I was gonna put these on here. This is my attire for today. Okay, so day 19 is right here. We weren't sure what this is. Like I said, mine is open at the top, which doesn't matter now. They just didn't have enough space here, I guess, to fold it over. And I understand that they're probably trying to save paper and use a thinner paper that's biodegradable. I totally get that, so I don't mind. All right, I'm gonna open it. Okay, let's see. Make today so amazing. All right, oh, it's a perpetual calendar. Look at this, that's kind of neat. All right, let's open that up and see. All right, not hating it so far. Okay, all right. Let's see how this works. Okay, cute. And it stands up. All right, all right. This is kind of nice. So if we put it to December, let's see. 19th on Monday, it says measure twice, cut once. Oh, it has little different sayings here. It's an item I probably wouldn't buy for myself, but that doesn't mean that somebody else won't like it, and it is very, very cute. Okay, let's take a guess at tomorrow's, which is the 20th. I can't believe it. Are you ready for Christmas? I'm not ready for Christmas. Okay, I think I know what this is. It feels like a charm pack. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a charm pack, which I'm so excited about. I think it's a charm pack. What do you think? I think it is. I hope you have a great day. I hope you take some time to sew, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.